Welcome to your lower back stretches today. We're gonna do 3 different ones. They're gonna hit different parts of that lower back. Never get frustrated, just do what you can, just keep practicing and get better. So we're gonna start down on your left side. So this exercise is gonna get kind of some rotational tension through oblique all the way into that lower back. So since we're on our left side, this left leg is gonna be bent out front. Right leg is going to be straight, and you're going to go chest to the ground. So if you need to, your left arm can go behind you, if that's more comfortable. If not, you can have that left arm up here. I'm going to keep it behind me today. My right arm is going to be straight, reaching away from that right foot. So you're in this lengthening position. The goal is to feel some kind of tension through here. So you want to flex the feet. You're going to keep walking the fingers across that floor as you push the heel in opposite direction, get that length and get that tension. If you can try to roll that ankle outward to get the bottom of your foot on the ground, do it. And just keep lengthening through the heel, lengthening through the arm and shoulder. Again, the goal is to get some tension through this right waistline, midsection. Keep trying to rotate chest towards the ground. Just keep lengthening the entire time. So try to feel the hip and rib pulling away from each other. And as that happens, this right midsection is actually going to almost lift towards the ceiling as you get that length. Now, if your shoulder starts to hurt, maybe your arm's a little too close to the head, so maybe you need to come out a little bit further. But eventually, you're going to find your angle where you get the most tension. You just keep working. So we're going to work into this for a couple more big breaths, constantly working, not just holding, go a little bit further. We're going to do one more big breath, one more big lengthen. And then as you exhale, slowly release. And we're going to flip over to the other side. So again, the tension point is trying to lengthen from here to here. All right, get on the right side. So on your right side, right knee bent in front. So left leg, left arm are going to be straight. You're going to be face down, almost like your chest is on the ground. And again, if you want that right arm behind you to be more comfortable, go for it. The left arm comes by the left ear. The left leg is straight. Again, make sure that bottom knee is bent in front of you. A lot of us probably want to hang it back here. You want it in front of you. These angles do make a difference. Now we start to work. So you walk your left fingers away from the head, push left heel away from the left hand, same time. You're flexing the feet. You're going to try to roll the left ankle outward, which means the bottom of the left foot trying to flatten on the ground. And as you lengthen, feel the rib and hip trying to lengthen away from each other. So the arm is pulling on the rib cage, the heel is pulling on the hip. You should feel like this left waistline is trying to lift up towards the ceiling as you stretch and lengthen. Again, if this left shoulder is bothering you, maybe you need to come out a little further. So find your angle that doesn't hurt, but you can still work. So keep rolling that ankle, keep pushing through the heel, keep walking those fingers. We do these for a good 30, 45 seconds, and you're constantly working. You're going to go 2 more big breaths. And every exhale, you try to go a little further. Let's go 1 more big breath. And then as you exhale, slowly release out of it. Feel that all that tension just starting to come back to normal. And we're going to come up to a kneeling position. So we're going to be down on the left knee with the right foot out front. Sorry, let's go down right knee, left foot out front. So now we're going to get this right lower back. So the angle we're going to be working at is kind of up here. And this arm angle is going to get down into this lower back through here. So also that back foot, you're going to slide that foot inward over to the opposite side. That's going to create a little bit more tension. The front foot, it's out at an angle so you can give a little bit of a shift. So make sure you can shift. You're going to bring the arms to a T-leg position. You want to round your spine. So when you round your spine, the shoulders go up and forward. You kind of tuck the butt under. And we're going to bend to your left. That way we start to build tension through this right side. So you stay bent. Give me a shift towards that left foot. So I bent my left knee over the left foot. Now I'm going to rotate to the left by reaching this right arm up and over to about a 45-degree angle. And I'm just going to keep lengthening. So as I keep lengthening through the arm, the shoulder should follow. The rib cage should follow, and it's going to build all this tension down into that right lower back. My hips are almost trying to push to the right as I'm rotating left more and more. You keep lengthening, keep breathing. Again, get this whole connection all the way through here, lengthening. Breathe deep. Every exhale, you go more. What's more? Bend more. Twist more. Let's go one more big breath. And then you're gonna slowly release out of that. And we're gonna switch sides. Now, if you can't kneel, you can stand on this one. So the standing position, you're just here. All right, similar position to kneeling, where you're not putting pressure on the knees, and everything else is the same. Kneeling is the proper way, so if you can kneel, do it. If not, just stand on it. So you're down on the left knee, right foot's out front. Again, that back foot, you want to slide it over towards that opposite side. It gives you that more tension, that more rotational tension here. Arms out to a T, around the spine. So feel those shoulders up and forward, tuck the tailbone or tuck the butt cheeks under. You're gonna bend to the right. That way we start to lengthen this left side. You're gonna shift towards the right. You're gonna rotate right. And that rotation is coming from that left arm. It's reaching up and over to the right. It's stretching all of this tissue, literally from the hand, through the arm, through the shoulder blade, into the lower lats, as much as you can. Just keep trying to push the hips left, upper body turning right. That back foot is almost trying to go over to the right as well, just to get that left side to stretch. And breathe. Breathe deep into that rib cage. Allow that length to happen. Feel that shoulder and shoulder blade going towards your hand more. And keep lengthening. Keep trying to round your spine. So I literally feel like my spine is pushing backwards as I'm trying to reach my arm up into the front. Try to bend more right, rotate more. Give me 2 more big breaths. And then you go 1 more big breath, keep reaching. And then slowly, slowly release out of that. And we're gonna grab a seat. So we're gonna do 1 more. This is mainly for that lower back. There's another video that's gonna help with the upper back, so be ready for that one. All right, so you're sitting down. Knees are gonna be bent. Feet right about shoulder width here. Actually, I'll do it from the other angle. So we're here, okay? Again, we're trying to get this lower back to open. Arms are gonna come out front here. So the arms are here. They're gonna reach forward as your spine starts to round and push backwards. So this movement is also in the upper back video, but the angles are slightly different. So to hit the lower back, we stay more upright. To get the upper back, we're gonna lean back more. But today, like I said, we're doing the lower back, so you're here. So what I want you to feel, arms, shoulders reaching forward, get all of this connection through here. So watch that again. I reach, I get that connection. I do that on both sides. I'm pushing my feet forward, they're not really moving, but when that happens, my lower spine is rounding backwards, and I'm getting all of that tension throughout the entire spine. I'm breathing, and I'm working. Some of you may get some ab work here, that's good. You want to try to feel that because your abs are trying to round that spine. Breathe, reach. If you have a mirror, look at yourself in the mirror, make sure that you're pretty symmetrical. So I'm checking myself out, making sure everything's in good alignment, and then I just work. Rounding that spine, feeling my hips or butt trying to roll backwards as I do this. Let's go 2 more big breaths. 1 more big breath. Then as you exhale, slowly grab those knees and just pull yourself upright and just shake it out a little bit. And those 3 exercises should have helped open up that lower back pretty quick. Keep practicing, keep following along, because every time you follow along, you'll pick up on 1 more thing and you'll get deeper and deeper into it, and then you'll be good to go. See you guys again soon.